three components to it, where we have people that have sort of unlimited use of a company car, people that can drive back and forth between a job site, and then people that drive a commercial vehicle during regular business hours. And our primary reason, quite frankly, is liability. We were very afraid of our unlimited driving program was basically wide open. You could drive a car from California to New York if you wanted to. And so the liability was 24/7. And we decided that we wanted to limit that liability, at least on those vehicles. And we're currently struggling with how to limit liability on the other vehicles as well.
Perfect. Mark, tell us a little bit about your fleet setup.
Yeah, so we have about 100 vehicles. We just transitioned recently. It's only been about 9 months where we were moving from a fleet and moving on to the Favor program. So far, what we were looking for us, the big jump for us and why we made the move was because of our initial priority was the cost itself. While we started looking at it was our fleet had increased significantly. So the size of that expense was getting noticed. So we wanted to consider some options. So we made the transition from there.
Perfect. And Mike, what about you?
I think it's probably a combination of the two. When we first started looking at costs from a financial point of view, but then we looked at the liability as well. And as Steve said, it was 24/7 liability that extended not just our drivers, but our drivers' spouses. So we wanted to take that and mitigate that risk. And I think for us too, as part of the cost savings, it wasn't just the cars, it is the administration of the people within the organization to maintain that program that we're able to take out.